Hey guys, welcome back
to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your mountain bike sound like a dirt bike, okay? So first of all, you're going to need a water bottle. Empty water bottles work the best. Don't put a cap on it. So what you're going to do, if you have, well, you probably do if you have a mountain bike, have the shocks and this thing. You're going to take the water bottle, squeeze it in there. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, geez, sorry. Okay, let me find some way to do this easier real quick. So, I didn't find an easier way to do it, but you're going to want to get it off the kickstand, put it right here, and just start pushing your bike forward, and then it'll get in there like so. This should be sticking out like that, and then if it's very loud, by the way, guys. So it's telling you it's really loud. Yeah, let me ride this and show you what it's like, and I will. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Alrighty, here we go. Now also, if you're doing it on dirt or whatever, it's a little hard, or grass, a little harder to push, I believe. Here we go. So yeah, it is very loud, but you could try it out for yourself. Just do what I told you, and it's really pretty loud. If you want to get it out, you can either pull it out or wiggle it out like this. Or if that doesn't work, you can like reverse the bike. And yeah, I just need an empty water bottle. Soda water bottle or soda bottle will sound different. It also may wear down your treads on your bike. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I guess this is part 2 of how to make your bicycle sound cool. But yeah, this is how to make your bicycle sound like a dirt bike. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.